even possible to lose weight without working out? Yes, it is possible to maintain a level of fitness and health without formal workouts by focusing on other aspects of healthy lifestyle. You have to consider diet. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help maintain health. Daily activity too. Incorporating physical activity into your daily routine, such as walking, taking stairs, or doing household chores, which is not even that difficult, can also contribute to fitness. Hydration. Drinking enough water is essential for overall health too. Your sleep pattern. Ensuring you get adequate rest and sleep is crucial for recovery and overall well-being. Stress management. Practice like meditation, yoga, or hobbies can help reduce stress and improve mental health. Healthy habits. Avoiding smoking, limiting alcohol, and staying away from excessive junk food can also help maintain health. While these measures can help, regular exercise does offer specific benefits that might be harder to achieve through lifestyle changes alone, such as improved cardiovascular health, stronger muscles and bones, and better mental health. For that, you must work out. And working out is not that difficult too. You can also work out inside your home, which is very easy. And we are going to tell you how to work out without going to gym or using heavy equipments very easily in your home. But you must know why working out is very important in today's time period. Starting a working out regimen from an early age offers numerous benefits that can significantly influence an individual's physical, mental, and emotional well-being throughout their life. We are going to share you an in-depth look at why incorporating physical activity in early days is very crucial. There are so many physical health benefits. Number 1. Foundation for lifelong fitness. Establishing a workout routine early sets the groundwork for a lifetime of healthy habits. Children and adolescents who engage in regular physical activity are more likely to continue these habits into adulthood, reducing the risk of various chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Number 2. Development of strong bones and muscles. Engaging in weight-bearing exercise like running, jumping, and resistance training during the growing years helps in building and maintaining strong bones. This is particularly important during childhood and adolescence when the bones are still developing. Additionally, regular physical activity promotes muscle strength and endurance, enhancing overall physical performance. Number 3. Weight management. Regular physical activity helps in maintaining a healthy weight by balancing the calories consumed with those burned. Early involvement in exercise can prevent childhood obesity, which is a growing concern globally. Maintaining a healthy weight from an early age reduces the risk of developing obesity-related health issues later in life. Also, there are so many mental health benefits of working out. Number 1. Enhanced cognitive function. Physical activity has been shown to improve cognitive functions such as memory, attention, and processing speed. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, promoting the growth of new brain cells and enhancing brain plasticity. This can lead to improved academic performance and better problem-solving skills. Number 2. Stress reduction and emotional well-being. Exercise is a natural stress reliever. It stimulates the production of endorphins, which are chemicals in the brain that act as a natural painkillers and mood elevators. Children who exercise regularly are more likely to experience lower level of stress, anxiety, and depression. Physical activity also helps in developing better sleeping patterns, which is essential for emotional stability and mental health. Number 3. Social skills and self-esteem. Participating in group sports or fitness activities fosters social interaction and teamwork. It helps children develop important social skills such as communication, cooperation, and leadership. Additionally, achieving fitness goals and excelling in physical activities boost self-esteem and confidence, contributing to a positive self-image. There are so many long-term impacts too. Number 1. Prevention of chronic disease. Engaging in physical activity from a young age can significantly reduce the risk of developing chronic disease such as cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Regular exercise helps in maintaining healthy blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and improves cardiovascular fitness. Number 2. Healthy aging. Early adoption of a fitness routine can lead to healthier aging. Physical activity helps in maintaining mobility, balance, and coordination, reducing the risk of falls and fractures in older age. It also supports mental sharpness and reduces the risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Number 3. Better quality of life. Overall, individuals who start working out from an early age tends to have a better quality of life. They experience fewer health problems, have more energy, and generally feel better physically and mentally. This leads to increased productivity, better relationship, and a more fulfilling life. So, incorporating a workout routine from an early age is essential for holistic development. The physical, mental, and social benefits of regular exercise are profound and long-lasting. Encouraging children and adolescents to engage in physical activity not only sets the stage for a healthier adulthood but also instills habits that contribute to overall well-being throughout their lives. So, now you know, working out since early age is very important